Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning. Good morning. What up, Tony? What up? Let me move my ES chart over to here. Still getting some things kind of set up here, you know? A little early today, but that's all right. Oh, dang it. I didn't mean to click install. That's all right. Don't guess it matters. Don't guess it matters. It is what it is. So let's see. Looks like we tested that 73.98. What, 7:30 this morning, 7:50. Come on, man, quit doing that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. We don't want you to do that. I have to mark some stuff out on my chart here. Don't really have anything marked yet. We'll get to going on that in a moment. I didn't take any trades last night, unfortunately. I was having some issues. I tried to stream, but I could not get I couldn't get my OBS to work right. It kept telling me that I was live, but I was not live. We were in fact not live. Richard Dowdy in the house. Okay. Well, I'm trying to log into Ninja. Oh, here it is. Let's get logged into the Ninja Trader here. Well, why not? All right, guys. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway there. What's going on here? Oh, saying my password's wrong. Yeah. I guess I put the same letter in twice. Morning, Shari. The Pegasus in the house. Just pushing up here. These were levels from, yeah. Where were these from? I don't remember, but those levels have already been used. Used and abused. I guess we never went down to 643 yesterday. That is kind of interesting. I thought unable to retrieve. What? Don't tell me it's going to do that crap. It's going to make me have to update the Replicanto too. Which I'm not wanting to do, but I guess we never went down to that. We just kind of held that trend line and just pushed up. Just kind of held it. She just pushed higher. I don't know what's going on with Ninja. Morning, Clarity. Futures trader, how's it going? Huh. What does that mean for Ninja there? What am I going to have to do? Let's see. That's the reason why I hadn't installed the new Ninja yet, because the update. Because it usually makes you update Replicanto too, and I don't feel like doing that right now. Let's see, $8.99. Well, we might be forced into doing it. We might be forced into doing it. I don't know. 9:30. Could maybe take a long here. I mean, ES is just ripping. It looks like yeah, we already made a new high there. Previous day high up there, 190. What up, John? Good morning. ES just ran it as well. Made a new high. Previous day, the open up there, 723 on the ES. Just ripped 15 points off, or 17 points off that 98 level. And let's see here. London low. Kind of interesting. Where is that? We'll be here. London. Overnight lows sitting down there quite a ways lower. 793. So once again, I mean, 370 point range overnight. Good morning, Cooper. All right, Ninja's not loading. Gave me that error. So let me try to redo it again. Yeah. It said something about Replicanto, so. Oh, we having trade event issues this morning? It's no bueno. No bueno. Got the payout curse. Blue, you're lucid funded after taking max payout. At least you got max payout clarity. At least you got the max payout. You gotta look at the overall picture. You got it there. That's all that matters. You got it there. We do have FOMC minutes today. Not the meeting minutes, but not the actual. There's gonna be no speech or whatever. Had to reboot the computer. Oh, John. I'm hoping I don't have to do that. Mine's. All right, let me try it one more time. So I have to do that, then that's no bueno. That would be no bueno. Unable to retrieve. Retrieve the loader exceptions property for more. I don't know what the hell that means. Don't know what that means. Do I need to update something? Not sure. So it's not loading Replicanto, basically. The problem is I don't really even remember how to update Replicanto. That's why I never do it, because I don't remember how to do it. I don't recall how to do it. That's why. Well, I guess we're going to have no choice this morning but to do it. Well, the good news is we got a little bit of time to figure it out. All right, let's see how we do it, because I'm not sure. Download the latest file. Makes sense. I guess we'll start with that. Products. I don't know how you do it. I guess it should be interesting. We'll figure out how to do this. I have no idea. It said download the most recent. I'm not sure how I update this, guys. Anybody know? I'm on the Replicanto website. It's not showing me where you download the updates, though. It's making it like I have to purchase it. I've already purchased it. I just need the download, the update. Thank you, Scalp Trades. Hope you do as well. This thing's holding 98 again. This is a good spot and it may be long, guys. I mean, it really kind of is. Do I want to try it, though, is the question. Guess I'll take it. We'll look for that run through 188.50 here. I think I'll go stop to break even through 171 here. Want to see it get up there. That previous day high. Looks like that's buy side. Well, it's not going for now. I don't know how I update this stuff, guys. I have no idea. For some reason, it doesn't really tell me. Ask AI. Well, I'm on the website and I can't, for some reason, I can't find the update. It's like wanting me to buy it. I'm not trying to buy it. I already own it. My account. Okay, never mind. I found it. Ah, there it is. It's under downloads. All right. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Let's see here. Then we select the file. Yes. Then it says restart Ninja. Requires that you shut down and restart the application. How many errors are you going to give me? All right, looks like we're pulling back here. We'll average into this at 125. Reopen Ninja. We'll see if that works. Feels like the drawn liquidity's up there at the 180s, so we'll average into it and see if we can't get the push back up. That's why I don't like doing this, because like, there's always errors, there's always stuff you got to figure out, and usually I just end up having to delete everything and freaking start over. And I don't really feel like doing that today. It might make me miss my opening range trade. Replicando version mismatch. Come on. See what I mean? It's not compatible with my Ninja Trader version. What the hell? Orders at 200 and 235. Yeah, I'm thinking that we push up there, but what is my Replicanto version? Or my Ninja Trader version here? 1.8.1.7.0. My bad. I downloaded the wrong one. Let's do it all over again. Why not? I mean, we got nothing else to do, right? We got nothing else to do. Let's just do it all over again. Okay, well, which one's first? Yas. Yas. We downloaded the wrong one, guys. What are you going to do? What are you going to do there? Ninja Trader requires that you shut down. Yes, we are aware. All right, one more time. What a Punisher. Oh, one more time, guys. One more time on the shutdown here. Rude. Shut it down one more time. Why not? Restart it one more time. Well, if it's only one more time, it'll probably be all right, right? Good morning, Tris. If it's two more times, no bueno. I don't even know what kind of account this is. It is, oh, it's a 50K. I didn't know that. AJ in the house. As you guys are coming in, please hit the like button, as you do, and enter the giveaway if you wanna. It's up to you. You never know what kind of account it might be. It could be a 25K rapid. It could be a 50K take profit trader. It could be a 150K take profit trader. It could be an Apex, any size evaluation. It could be any of those things. It could be a max, huffy puffy max bark. Hey, Replicanto's back. Let's go. Replicanto's back. Let's go. It's back. And updated better than ever. I really do. I should update these as the updates come out, man. I think I was like 2 updates behind. That could also be part of the reason why I was having issues, Really should keep it updated, but I don't like doing it because I always have issues with it. Always have issues with it. Let's see where we're sitting in the trading competition for Tradeify. Not quite sure. I mean, we're not We're not good, but we're not bad either. We got an outside shot, if you will. Outside shot at it. Let's see where we're sitting at. Why not? I mean, we got some profits. What up, more Decai's exclamation point MM in the chat. We are currently at 5,137 position. That's where we're at, guys. That's where we're at. I don't know if there's anything on here you guys can't see. I don't think there is. 5,137. Yeah. Not advancing. So, yeah, we got work to do, guys. We're only at $1,404 through 2 days. To be fair, I didn't really trade it much yesterday at all, but that's okay. What I'll probably do is if it comes down to like the nitty gritty the day of, and I know kind of where I need to be, I'll switch over to silver, and you know, we'll either blow it or blow it. We'll blow it up or blow it out, one or the other, right? Blow it up or blow it out. Yeah, that's what she said exactly. All right. Now we can get the copy trader kind of set up here. It should, in general, already be set up, really, because I did save it last time. Yeah, pretty well. This account still has not gotten approval yet, so that one's not going to be taking any trades. 56,290 will be the lead account, looks like. So I did not get the approval yet. For that Apex payout there. One account we got approved on. The other account is a legacy account, and it's not been approved yet. So, not been approved. Should I push this first target up a little bit? I don't think I should, because it's supposed to be from 25 from the entry. So the ad on that spot was 25. So I do think the TP's 50. Husk mentioned that he may stop by this morning. We'll see. I don't think he's streaming, so we'll see if he stops by and joins us on the stream for a little bit. He may want to sit in my lap and help me press the button. I don't know. He might. I don't know if that'll help me press the button or not. Probably not, you know? Probably make it worse. Oh. Probably just make it worse, you know? Yeah, I'm still trading with Apex fish lips. I've taken like 5 payouts with Apex over the last couple of months, month and a half, whatever. Maybe more than that. We've taken some Apex payouts. We've been slapping it. Currently waiting on 2 payouts with Apex. 2 payouts. Almost 2 weeks after approval payout and still no payout. Yeah, fish lips, so if it's a legacy account, it's 3 to 7 days to get the approval. And then it's 3 to 7 days for it to hit your bank account. So you're looking at, in general, about 10 total days to get the payout in your account. It'll hit. Just takes time. I had several people reach out to me and were like, "Oh, mine hasn't hit yet." And I'm like, "Just chill. It'll get there." The 2.0 or 3.0 or whatever, it's a little faster. You're getting same day approval, and then typically about that 7 business days to get payout. Raul, I decided to get on here today earlier because last night I was trying to get on. I was having all kinds of issues, so I reinstalled everything. And so I wanted to make sure it was working properly. Of course, today, everything binked right up. So everything came right up right away. Can't complain. Guys, remember, Take Profit Trader is 50% off. Use code MM. Lucid is still 50% off as well. To use code MM. And then Apex 90% off. Use code MYTH, MYTH. And 90% off basically on Bluesky, code MM. Trade Day 30% off, code MM. I think Tradeify's 30% off as too. Code MM. All the things, all the places, code MM. Good morning, Trader Mo's. I was going to say because I want to. No, I was just trying to make sure everything's working correctly. I was having a lot of issues last night. Nothing would really work, but it's working now, looks like. Everything be working now. No real news today, guys. FOMC minutes. Did I post? I don't even know if I posted the newsletter, guys. Did I post the newsletter? Trade Plan Tuesday. I did not. My bad, guys. I did not even post the newsletter. Holy cow. I forgot. Let's do that now. You guys got to let me know when I forget. Somebody's got to jump in the Discord and be like, "Yo, where's that newsletter, bro?" And sometimes I forget. And yeah, I forgot. So there you go. But if you're waiting on it, I am posting it now. I do apologize. Oh, Mac barking. Hold on one second, guys. Husk showed up. He did not bring any breakfast. So, what's the code for Bulenox? MM Uninair.
Husk.
MM. If you're wanting option 2, then it's MM1. So, option 2 is still 75% off. We're currently long over here, Husk. What do you think? I don't know. You know, gotta get a little action going. I posted in the newsletter. I forgot. We got Husk here. I got the camera turned off for now. He's sitting in my lap. So, yeah, he shows up with no breakfast for me. To be fair, I already had breakfast.
It's just sausage only, no bread.
Sausage.
Pull a sausage.
He just went and got sausage, guys. He didn't even get no bread to go with it.
Dude, we're on a diet, man.
That's weird. That's weird, man. How you gonna do something? That's weird. All right, let's see here. I gotta get my Mancini information up. So I did post the newsletter for any of you guys that were waiting. I did not realize I did not post it last night, so it's my fault. That's why he's on my lap for the sausage. Could be. He said, "Oh yeah, let's let's jump over there." He said he's not streaming today or this morning. He's going to be on My Funded TV, and then he'll be on there tonight. So,
It's hard to stream all day when you're not at home.
any of you guys looking for Husk, he's not going to be there. He's going to be over here holding my hand, trying to see if I can take some trades. Probably being like, "What the hell are you taking that trade for?" You know, trying to criticize my entries. Criticize my entries and my exits. So I don't know if I can turn the camera on and fit Husk in here. Maybe we can.
That's okay. I don't need to be on camera.
We could probably fit him in here.
That's okay.
He's out of the camera anyway. It's fine. But yeah, hit the like button, guys, if you haven't already. Enter the giveaway, ! MM in the chat. Let's go. Yeah, I'm long 2 micros here because I think we're going to run into the previous day high up here. We've had a 370-point move overnight on range.
That means you don't know what it's going to be like today.
Today is Tom Sabo's birthday, if you guys didn't know. I think he's, if I'm not mistaken, I think he's 58. You guys, let's wish Tom happy 58th birthday. Let me get in the chat here. Everyone.
He's either like
58. I think he's 58th. There we go. We dropped it over there in the My Funded chat. I think it's like 41 or 42. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. But hopefully we have a favorable opening range today. Again, no real news. We got FOMC minutes only at 2 o'clock today. That's it. FOMC minutes only. See what my 5-minute chart looks like here? We just got the 21 EMA on it, and that's it.
I need to put the 21 EMA back on there. It's usually pretty good for 5 minutes.
Yeah, look at the reactions off the 21. I mean, I'm telling you, look at this. You literally as soon as it gets above it, it just holds it. So could just backdoor action it if you wanted to. Uh-oh, we're getting the circle of death over here. 3 minutes for the hourly close. Yeah. My internet's been being a little weird. I don't know why. It was doing that last night. I'm telling you, like OBS kept dropping. It would say I'll be live and I wouldn't be.
Well, dude, you got to pay for internet. Can't be using that free Wendy's internet.
It's not free, bro. NVIDIA earnings are at the end of the day today. Ooh, really, yeah. AJ? You may have just piqued my interest. We may have to full port a Take Profit Trader Pro account. Potentially.
You're getting into a adult movie size boner candle right there, man.
In some NVIDIA. Man, my shit is freezing up again. I don't know if it's the internet or I don't know what it is. It was doing this last night.
Dude, internet at my mom's house sucks so bad. I can't even look up something without it.
Look up there how I'm freezing. Are we good now? All right, looks like we're good now. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on with that shit. I don't know how much room I'm going to give this trade here. Obviously, we averaged in at the 25. We're going to add one more at the 100.
I know. Once it lost that 50, I'll be like,
So, sorry, guys. I don't know what's up with the connection. Hopefully, it stabilizes. I don't know. Hopefully it stabilizes. Doesn't look like the shit's stabilizing though. Keeps blinking.
I know. I think that's dinner today. A sausage and probably a smoothie at lunchtime. A tropical smoothie.
So Husk is having a sausage for dinner.
For breakfast. Polish sausage.
I don't know what the difference in regular sausage and Polish sausage is.
I think just a brand or name.
Where'd you get that from?
Golden Pantry.
Oh.
I had to hunk up some guy there at the Golden Pantry like multiple times because I was trying to get his attention. He was about to drive off because I guess he got his compressor out. And the thing was on the tailgate with the hose all on the ground.
Husk over there honking at people at the Golden Pantry.
Hey man, I saved his compressor. Dude would have pulled out on 29 and it should have gone rolling.
Let it roll. Let it roll.
No man, I ain't gonna mess up nobody's day if I could lend a hand.
All right, guys, here comes the top of the hour. Let's see what it does. We're tagged into our ad here. So we're in 3 micros now. We want to see the next 15 minutes really stay within 40, 50 points here. We don't really want it to go a lot.
Dude, if you don't get a bounce here back up to 25 and 25 loses quick, be ready to dip.
Trev says gap close, then fail or gap feel to new highs. Who knows? Gaps down there are a long ways, though. I mean, we're talking, dude, we're 899 or 930. So it's another 100 points. Obviously, I'd like to see a little squeeze up here.
Here's birthday boy.
Tom and Terry.
That sound what it looks like.
Well, I got them on.
In your headset.
Yeah, I got them on mute. I already hit the like button. Check it out. Husky, did you hit the like button yet?
I haven't even been on, man.
You better get on your phone and hit the like button, bro. Come on now. Today is Tom's birthday. I don't know how old he is. I can't remember, but we're going to say he's 40. We're going to say he's 58. 58. Guys, I might do one giveaway before the market opens, so don't wait to kind of jump into the giveaway here. We might do one before the market opens. If you want to jump in. It's funny because they showed Tom and Terry.
Yeah.
And then they flipped them off.
I think they didn't mean to be on there.
Oops, they were on the wrong they're on the wrong source there.
They were probably having a discussion behind that.
Happy birthday, Tom. Guys, tell Huss to speak up. He's over here talking like he don't want to be heard.
Well, I don't want to be.
Let's see if we can hear Husk when he talks. Huss, say testicles 1, 2.
Testicles 1, 2.
I can barely hear you. Hold on. Let me move it over a little more. There we go. Now say it.
Testicles 1, 2.
Stop whispering. It's creepy, says Trev. Yeah, exactly. Little creepiness. There's Tom and Terry. Oh, it's sexy. Oh. Trev likes it.
No talking dirty to methodical, guys. No talking dirty.
Let's listen to what they're talking about for right now, because I can see a little dance going on, but I don't know what they're saying.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm just melting now. Thanks very much.
Happy birthday.
Ooh, thank you so much, Terry. Oh my gosh, what a start.
Oh,
I forgot.
I'm seeing so many birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Tom. He's 69 years old. Good morning, Rob. Good morning. Yeah, I think we'll do a giveaway at 9:15, guys. We'll do one at 9:15, and then we'll do another before we end the stream. Huh?
That's a low cut.
Low cut? Oh,
That was super low cut.
good morning, drunk trader. Are you already drinking this morning? Cheers. Drunk trader's drunk every time he's on here.
No.
Yeah, he said he has a beer.
Oh, okay.
Wakes up 7 a.m., gets a beer. Wakes up 10 a.m., gets a beer. What I normally like to do, guys, I normally like to be away from the computer when the opening range is set, like when it's setting, and then just come back and look and see where it's at. That's what I usually do. Oh, it's 3 a.m. where you're at, drunk trader? Dang. Or is that when you wake up and start drinking a beer? What up, Jaded? Good morning.
Oh, yeah, it is. Right. Yeah. Wait, no.
Well, it's 3 a.m. in Hawaii. It's 3 a.m. in, I don't know where else. I know Hawaii, it's like 3 a.m. now. So, those areas, I guess it's 3 a.m. I'll see what Mancini's tweeted out today, guys. Let's take a look. Let's refresh. Let's see if he tweeted anything. He keeps talking about the 73.98 level being an ATM machine. It's probably weak at this point, though. We remain in prime intraday conditions as ES builds a range. Good 2-action and scalps. 2-level action. 73.77 reclaims remains the trigger. We got it yesterday and ran to 73.98. Planned today, we got it again last evening, back to 73.98 again. 15, 21, 34 next. 77 and 54 now supports. So, there you go. $77 is basically the previous day close. And the low from yesterday would be the 54 area. What up, Alexi? Yeah, sorry guys. My son had a tassel ceremony where they give him his graduation. They give him the tassel that goes with the cap and gown portion for graduation. So they had a little ceremony where they go back to their elementary school and they receive their tassel. So yeah, it was it was one of those days where like you're excited for your kid, but you're like, oh, it's sad because then he's my daughter cried because she's like realizing that he's gonna be going away to college. So she cried. But it was kind of funny, my son's sort of speech. It wasn't really a speech. They have you speak and ask you like what your plans are. We'll see if we can play it so you guys can hear it. And see if we can make it where you can.
I am Caleb Baker, and I'm going to Georgia Tech to study technical and biomolecular engineering. Don't know what I'm doing that, but so.
That's all he said. He says, I'm going to study biomolecular engineering. I don't know what I'm going to do with the degree, but that's what I'm getting. What up, Pine Tree? You have tassels too? Where do you hang those from, Pine Tree? Where do you hang those tassels from, Pine Tree? What do you hang those from? He swings them around in the morning when he wakes up. He got his brains from his mama? No. Jay Styles, good morning. See, our oldest, my stepdaughter, She only had her mom's DNA and, you know, her real dad's DNA. And she was an underachiever. So this one's got my DNA and hers, and he's an overachiever. There you go. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. What up, Sovereignty? So right now we got 6 minutes left in the opening range. It looks pretty solid right now, 20 points. 20 points. I think obviously it's not going to stick to 20. It's going to probably go a bit above that, but still. Oh, look at Husk over here in the My Funded chat saying happy birthday, Tom. But yeah, Pine Tree, he loves his tassels for sure. He clips them on his boobs and swings them around. He has that kind of a skill. He can swing them around with without any help. Pine Tree, I'm going to do a race this morning. What should we do? What was I keep forgetting the name of that website. I have to go back and look at your text every time.
It's like time or something.
It's online stopwatch. All right, we're going to do a race. Online stopwatch. And we'll make it an emoji race because, you know, it is what it is. So at 9:15, we're going to do an emoji race. So if you guys are not in the giveaway, you'll just miss it. I don't know what to tell you. Husk is over here cramming sausage in his mouth. I just saw him eat an entire sausage without even chewing. He didn't even chew, guys.
Oh.
What'd you drop? Oh. Oh, Husk is using AirPods now? Husk thinks that AirPods causes cancer.
No, I just don't like wearing stuff in my headphones. I mean, like little bitty headphones like this.
Oh, come on. The page is not responding. He did it sideways. He ate the whole sausage, and he did it sideways. Tony, I look younger. I got a haircut. I got a haircut, man. Is my shit really freezing like that? Are you guys getting a lot of lag on the stream? We may not be able to do this emoji race. This shit looks like it's like dragging stuff down. Let me close some. I'm going to close everything out that I don't need open. Sometimes you got to do that. Let's just reduce everything down to the minimalist. Let me close everything out. I'll probably even close Ninja out once I do the opening range here.
That thing's still only 20 points.
We had a sleepover. No, Husk just came over this morning, sit in my lap. You guys kind of see him right there in the corner. He's right there in the corner. Here, let me make it smaller so you can't see him. Let's get him out of there. You guys don't want to see him. Bam! Close him out of there. Close him out of the corner. Nobody puts Husk in a corner. Good morning, Timbo. We are going to draw a winner, guys, in at 9:15, so you got 2 minutes. So we're going to draw one winner. Man, so far the range is still just 20 points.
One morning I don't take it.
That's not great. That's not a great sign though. The sweet spot is 35 to 45 points. Usually when it's smaller like this, it might lose. You're going to have a smaller stop. The stop on this is going to be like 10 or 11 points, which is nice, but
I always thought you went in double or heavy.
no, I don't go in heavy when it's small like this. I mean, I guess I could, huh? Bro keeps dropping his AirPod.
I got it in the wrong gear.
He don't even know how to use an AirPod. All right, guys, you got a minute and 20 seconds to enter the giveaway. Well, here's the thing. When it's small like this, the chance of you opening up outside the range, very, very high. So it's going to make it a little bit more of a tricky.
Dude, I found the ones opening outside the range. Seems like they always go the way they open out.
Yeah, the last 2 weeks it's done that, but yesterday it did not. You know, yesterday it opened up outside the bottom. Yeah, I'm thinking Drunk Trader. I'm thinking I never reset a pro account, but I might reset a 25K and send that puppy. Candle here with a minute left. OBS disconnected, OBS reconnected. So it's actually a good sign. We are right here at that 29,100 level too. But I do keep forgetting that I am in a trade. You feel better if we could sweep around 29,000. Woo! Apex extended the sell. You're surprised? Yeah. Listen, the whole point of Apex going to the 3.0 deal, where there was no rebills and stuff, was so that they could have more of a kind of a 80 to 90% off all the time type situation. So not surprising. So the opening range is set, guys. It's 23 points. And the winner is Greed Tablet.
Linux code expired yesterday.
Did they expire yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Hopefully they extend it this morning.
Greed Tablet. Congratulations. There's Greed Tablet here.
Let's see if they extended it.
There's Greed Tablet.
What's the date?
20th.
Yeah, it expires on the 19th. If I changed it over to 75.
Greed Tablet. Send me a message to methodicalman@gmail.com. Click in the top right hand corner here. Screenshot this showing me that you're logged into your channel. And let me know if you want a 25K rapid account from My Fun and Futures, a 50K account from Take Profit Trader, or an any size Apex eval. And if it's Take Profit Trader, include your email. If it's My Fun and Futures, include your email. If it's Apex, don't include anything. There you go. All right, so the opening range is 23 points, which means that's an 11.5 point stop. The question is, do we size up? Do we size up since it's only 11.5 point stop? I think maybe we do. What is has Greed Tablet won in other places this week? Although I don't know that I can size up on some of these accounts. Let's see.
See, I would hate this trade this morning. I don't like the fact that there's consolidation on both sides of the range.
I don't even pay no. I mean, like, no, never.
It irritates the shit out of me when I see that, man. I see that there, then I look to the top side and I see that up there.
Yeah, but I never. I mean, like the opening range, like it's gonna pop.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying this.
So Trev, it's the pre-orb. Take the 50K fast track. Yeah, so we're taking the 9 to 9:15 a.m. Eastern candle. I might size up, guys. I think I might size up today. May regret it, but
I wouldn't do all of them, or do you have to do all of them?
I mean, I don't have to do anything, but you know.
Yeah, you took the $400 loss 2 days ago, right?
Yeah.
I don't even remember how you lost that.
I didn't take the opening range.
The second trade. Yep.
Yeah, I didn't take the opening range.
That shit always gets me. Which I did it yesterday, but if it was funded, I wouldn't have done it.
All right, let's get our ATM set up here, and then we need to check and see. Goulash Man is live. Yeah, he is. It's his birthday. So we can, the stop loss can go down to effectively, what, 11.5 points? So 46 ticks. Save orb long. Yes, save. Orb short. Yes. Boom. Okay. Now we need to. Did I restart? Okay, let me resume entries. There you go, guys. So you can enter the giveaway still for the next one. Let me see if I can actually, if this will work like this. Indeed. Oh, nope. 209, 207, 206. So basically the Apex 25Ks will not work like that. So those are going to need to be. Now let's try it. $209. Oh yeah, that one won't do it either. I forgot about that one. 209. Where is Apex 209 at? 209, 10. Why is it saying I can't use 10 on that? What up, James? You already did one drawing weeks. All right, I think it's working now. A little laggy this morning, though, let's be honest.
I was trading this morning, maybe short all the way below 74.
What's below 74?
It's just the trend break. And to the top side, you want to watch out for 126, 127. There's a pivot sitting up there. Even though I know you don't really look at that in the opening.
Yeah, I don't look at the pivots. We don't look at them pivots right there. We don't do it. No, no, no.
And it'd be nice to stay right there, then pop back down.
No, we need to pop up. I actually like the upside a lot better today than the downside, but it's just me. Because we got the 90. But I'm going to play it, you know. My hair is visible on the sides. I just have a fade. Yeah, weeks is an early one, but we're going to do another one. This PA is jerkier than Bonnie Blue. Who's Bonnie Blue, Trev? Who's Bonnie Blue? Anybody in the chat know who Bonnie Blue is? Let me know.
Who's Bonnie Blue?
Yeah, Bonnie Blue.
Isn't that the gangbang lady?
Huss says that's the gangbang lady. Only he would know.
Is that who it is? That's the only way I know about her. See, like every time I think that's right? Is that the gangbang lady?
I said, is that that video that we watched?
I don't know about we watched anything, but I do. I thought I've seen that on TikTok somewhere.
Yeah, weeks. I don't take it pre-market. I stopped doing that. I looked at it a couple of times, but I don't take it pre-market. Husk over there telling on himself.
Dude,
that's that gangbang chick.
The best line in TV history is from Old School. I'm here for the gangbang.
Tell me this is the first time. Ding dong.
First time.
She's a jerk because she's a jerk while eating beef jerky. What's he talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah, Old School was funny.
Blue, you my boy, Blue.
I'll be shocked if this thing opens up inside the range. I really would be.
This is a nice pullback here.
I do like that it tested the 91 time already. It makes me feel a little better about like the bottom side. But we'll see. Yeah, I still haven't gotten the Apex approval on my 193 one, on my Apex 2.0, the legacy one or whatever.
Apex was supposed to get better about getting faster payouts.
Well, the 3.0 they are. It's approved right away, but the other one's not.
Well, I heard approval. It just takes a while.
All right, about to pop out the top here, looks like. Tech T in the house. Still got 6 minutes until open. Again, the only news today we got, guys, is we got the FOMC minutes, 2 o'clock. No meeting, but just the meeting minutes, or no press conference. That's it. Other than that, it's clean skies, unless Trump decides to say something. Trump might come out and say China. Nowadays, people have no sense of humor. They're stiffer than a Viagra addict. So funny because there are actually people who take like Cialis and stuff like that daily for like, you know, they're like not bodybuilders, but just people who want a bigger pump. I don't know if you guys have saw that or heard that. It's crazy.
What is Cialis?
It's like Viagra.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
They take it every day just to have a pump. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. If you already entered earlier, you don't need to enter again. And Greed Tablet can only win once, so he's disqualified. Your doctor hasn't had that conversation with you yet? Well, I mean, you got to ask, Trev. You got to initiate.
Just go, you still having regular boners?
Sir, are you waking up with morning wood?
Oh, goodness. That's very good.
You got to initiate the conversation.
Dude, the move down's looking pretty good right now.
Dude, the move up is looking pretty good. I don't know why Husk is so... He tries to guess which way we're going to go. There's no reason to guess. Whatever way it goes, we don't care.
I know.
We don't care. How dare I ditch you for the kids? Well, room, you know. Gotta put the kids first. Now, I will say, if this does break out the bottom side here, I do like... Oh, look at there. Nice little wick right there, 20 points.
Look at there. Just screwed you on that. That was the trade there. I don't know. That one right there probably would have sucked because that's one of the ones that don't tag you
Wouldn't
in.
feel you, yeah.
Or, yeah, it'll tag you in, but it won't feel you.
Well, it didn't screw me because I don't care if it goes out before. It doesn't matter. All right, let's get our buy stop in. Orb long is the next one. And we'll put that down here. And we're going to be good to go. This is actually a good sign for the upside move if it gives it to us. We'll see. Nah, I know. Heard something about winning? Yeah, the winner. Husk is sitting next to me. Yep. He's, you know, he's not doing anything. He's just sitting over there, just chilling. He didn't even bring his laptop to be able to take the trade. Mad Moxie, good morning.
It's hard to set. This one wants to go wick back up.
Well, at 29, I'll take the, yeah, I mean, that's the thing. When they're small like this, it's typical. It's a little bit more difficult to kind of get in. It probably is going to go. You thought Husk was AI? Yeah, he is. Yeah, for legal reasons, I have to say that he's not trading. You know? All right, we got tagged in our ad over here. I'm just going to layer out longs over here. It could wreck this account. I don't know. Day one. All right, I think it's safe to put the long in here. 1850, boom.
You're in 21 micros?
20 micros, what do you mean?
20 micros? I guess I didn't realize you went that heavy.
No, I don't. We just talked about I doubled the size because of the size of the range.
Oh,
All right. I'm not so sure that this is going to bounce back up, but we're ready for it if it does. I'm just kidding, room. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. I got 30 seconds here. Let's see if this can pop back into the range.
yeah, it's probably gonna bone her down.
It might bone her up, though. You never know. You never know.
I don't know. You may get to pull back into the 90s. I'm just not sure if you're gonna pull back above the whole number here. If it does, it's gonna go straight out the top.
Yeah, Husk did. He just ditched y'all to hang out with me for a little bit. All right, let's see what happens. Here comes open in 5 seconds. What the fuck? Oh, you got, what the hell is going on, dude? Dude, you gotta be fucking kidding me. That just blew my accounts.
How did it didn't fill you? Or are you stuck?
That just blew all of my accounts. It tagged me into the short. So on the pushback through, I dropped it because, like, you know, that's what you're supposed to do. And then it tagged me into the long here. I guess it didn't go 10 points into the long and pulled back and stopped me out. Yeah, maybe it didn't blow them all, but it did blow some. Down. Looks like an Apex 50K. I can't tell if those blew or not. They probably did. I think it blew the Lucid Flex. Husk sure is bad luck. Yeah, I don't even know, guys. I can't tell the damage. I don't know. It fucked me over, though. I can tell you that much.
So it puts you in with four minis.
It didn't take me out. That's the problem.
Oh, it didn't take you out. Oh, okay. I didn't understand what was happening.
Yeah, it didn't take me out of the accounts. I'll have to look at the damage later. That's not going to be good, though. Not going to be good.
Yeah, that's what you talk about when it sucks when you start missing days. It seems like.
Well, it's not about missing a day there. That's about
No, I'm just talking about when you take losses to come back the next day and you miss days.
the
Where you should have had winners on Monday and Tuesday. There should have been winning days.
yeah, but that's still not gonna, it still wouldn't discount what just happened. So basically, when I dropped the short, it tagged me in and it lost right away. It did not take the OCO off for the long.
That happened to me the other day.
So when it didn't take the OCO off for the long, then it the long pulled back. And when it pulled back, that's what did the damage. So huge divergence here with the ES and Nasdaq. So let's see. That's unfortunate. I think we're going to that previous day close up there. So I got my order sitting up there. See if it can rip through there. No, room. I think I had like 6 or 7 funded accounts on there. I don't know if it blew them all. It's hard for me to tell. The Apex one's only down $400. I think those are probably okay, but I could be wrong. That might have hit. I think those hit the daily loss limit, so I think those are okay. The trade days I think blew. The my funded futures, that one's not funded. The Lucid Flexes were funded. So I'm pretty sure those blew. And then one Apex PA is down 1,500. It's probably blown. Another one did not get traded, so that's good. Take Profit Trader 150K is down $3,100. That's probably blown. And then the other one's down $2,400. That's probably blown too. Not a good day on that. What up, Kosilisk? Not a very good day. It's okay. So ES is just pulling back here, 73.89. Trev, I was in 1 to 3 micros, depending upon the account there. But the problem wasn't the size. The problem is that it tagged me into the short. And this is like one of the reasons why I don't drop that short right away. If you guys have noticed, I missed a couple of the trades over the last few days because I didn't drop the short right away. And the reason why I haven't been doing that is because of exactly what just happened right there. I dropped it immediately today. And as soon as I dropped it, it tagged me into the short and lost. And it took the ATM off the long and didn't take the long off. So, yeah, I'm pissed off about it, John. But like at the end of the day, what can you do about it, right? Like there's nothing I can do about it. So, it's fine. Nothing we can do about it. Max even agrees. He said, that's a bullshit. This is bullshit. So the Lucid ones I'm a little annoyed about because I mean I took my time to get those passed. Apexes you can pass in a day, not a huge deal on those. Take Profit Pros, obviously. Those are a little bit annoying as well because those are difficult to pass, but what are you gonna do? This is a spot where I may attempt a long. We'll see. Well, obviously I'm already in a long here, but I'm talking about over here on this challenge account. I might hold it back to the opening range all the way back up there. The only question is, do I average in here or not? Husk, what do we do? Do we average in here and do the long or what?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm sitting on the sideline. I'm still watching 5-minute charts. Remember, I don't ever watch 2-minute charts.
Well, I'm watching the 5 too.
Well, no, I'm just saying I think as long as we print below 75 and wick back into that and holds.
You like the shorts?
Yeah.
I'm in the longs, bruh.
Well, that's only if we close below 75. Still holding at 75.
I hate when it does that shit. Where it won't let you take anything off. Like I was just up 25 points right there. It won't let me take nothing off because the ATM strategy is on. So stupid.
I guess I understand that.
What up, Black Beauty? Yeah, John. No, he's fine. It wasn't 1 to 3 micros room. I was in 1 to 3 minis. So it wasn't micros. It was minis there. Minis, minis, minis.
Yeah, about to have a new candle here. Looks like that bitch is gonna go.
One, two, three. See, watch what my ninja does here when it hits my target. Watch it. It'll take all these off when it hits.
Yeah, mine does that. I don't know how to fix
See? See how it does that?
that. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. So you hit the 25. No, you have the 20. That's your cheap trade right there.
What are we in over here? 3? I'm in 3 over here. Let's go. Let's take 1 off there.
Goes back above 75. Yeah, could be arranging back up.
I think this is a good time for it to rip. Yeah, I mean, mini. Gap fill could be. I mean, getting way better. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I love micros, but that trade right there, I'd just go a little larger with. That's okay. Well, sometimes. I mean, most of the time I go a little larger. And take that one off there. I'm looking for 188 here, guys, on this push up. See if we can get the push into the 188 here. I was watching ES, kind of held that 85 level. If we get above 95, I think we're kind of off to the races over here on the ES. Back out the top of the pre-orb there. Unable to get above on the 2-minute. Big rejection.
Got that pivot sitting up.
Nice job, Room. Let's go. 150 to 170 break. Yeah, I'm watching the 2-minute here. I really want to see it kind of close above 109.50. 1 minute needs to close above like 130. Should be able to get that spike up if it does. No real news. No real news here. Can we go is the question. I feel like the drawn liquidity, at least temporarily, is 188. I think that's where we're headed. We can just get a 2-minute close above here. The only thing is we didn't really sweep that London low down there. It might manipulate back down there one more time. Target field when it hits the stop loss. The bulls do this with no confidence. Yeah, who knows? I want to see this close above 110 on this candle here. If it doesn't, then that's going to be of some concern. And it's like right at it. I don't even know if it closed above it, but it's right there at it. Oh, now it's looking like it wants to go. Let's see if it goes here. We will, I think I can add some more if it goes.
Yeah, if this next candle can print above 26 and find support, that's the longest I like to take.
Oof.
I didn't get a wick, did it? Don't look like I had a wick on it, not yet. Yeah, it does.
188.50.
Dude, I think you could leave a runner to 250 almost.
250.
Yeah, 225. Your next pivot.
I missed my ad.
You're playing pivot to pivot. If 26 holds, your next one's up at 250. But it would have to get through 63. If you can't get through 63, it's coming back down. So
ES is back above 74.02 here. Very key area.
just need 26 to hold. His first hit 26. His second hit. Hold.
I think this thing's about to squeeze.
Above 63, it should be off to the races there. Beautiful. Beautiful.
See if this thing squeezes through there. Yeah, Weeks is kind of yeah, Denisha, somebody's botting, obviously.
Getting botted?
Yeah, 2,800 viewers, it says. It was Husk. He did it. All right, we're smashing it over here on this account, up $400. We had the draw on liquidity correct. A lot of times that's kind of the major thing there. Running that high, previous day high there, could look for some short points off that level. Might be a little late to it though. I'm actually going to go back into a little bit of a scalp mode here. Just go for 10 points at a time. You grabbed it. Let's go. Nice. Yes, pushed up there, 74.11, kind of pulling back here. You want to see 74.02 kind of hold on the ES there. It's kind of around that 150 area on the NQ as well. Maybe a little lower. Can she push? ATR is almost a 52 right now, which is insane.
I don't want to see a hold up here at 65.
Back to the 56 here. It's kind of the level I was talking about. So that's your 15-minute opening range. See if that wants to hold. Maybe get a little bouncy right there.
Damn, that's a dirty wick.
Not doing it.
That would have been. This would have been my funded trade this morning. This candle here.
Well, will you be short?
No, it would have been long. I would have took the long down there on that. This candle when it first printed. Like if you look at my charts here, so you get the 3 candles set up, kind of like that little order block look. It printed above a pivot. It wicked into the pivot and went up.
All right, I'm going to take a long here off the 21 EMA.
Now I need to get that back on my chart.
Big rip up. Come on, keep going. Give me more. Trailing this one hard. Locking in 20 points here. I'm trailing hard though. I know you guys can't see this one, but it's all right.
Let's see. If this one can break. If this one break back above the 200s, it should rip. I'm not a fan of it because I hate these big wick 5-minute candles like this.
All right, took me out.
Usually
Yeah, Room, that was a good long right there off the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. Very good long up to 21. That's what I took that off of. I'll take it again right here, to be honest. I think I'll take it on the back door, though. See if it hits 114 one more time. Nope. Looks like it's going for the London low now. Loss of 90 there could be a little bit of a short trigger. London low 29.014. That next shove below 90 I'm going to take, I think. $29.014 would be $29.014. So we get the run down to the London low. Again, the next break of 90, I think it rips lower. I'm in already a little bit with 5 micros, but I got in a little early. See if it wants to. If it gets back above 15, we're probably going to go higher. But if we break 90, I think we can go down. Break the 90. Oh, we're going to get break even. Yeah, nothing wrong with break even, though. Jumped in short over here on this challenge account. We'll see. I'm in early. Looks like I'm going to get wrecked. Yeah. Long it is. Got the loss back there on the long. Quick long. Just a quick snap long, you know, that's all you do. Back through that 14, it just ripped.
It's actually been a tough opening.
Very, very volatile here, guys. Oh, you would have TP'd. Yeah, this is very volatile. Very, very volatile. 5-minute definitely looks like a barcode. Definitely looking like a barcode.
Maybe one of these days they're just waiting for the Nvidia numbers to come out.
Could be. We also got the FOMC at 2, so. I might jump back in long here. Question is this going to be like a wick eater on the 5-minute? Might be. If we lose the 90, I'm in. All right, quick and easy there. Very, very quick. Just minutes today. Weeks, just minutes. No sort of announcement. Just minutes. What we kind of need now is we kind of need to sweep to London, you know, and then maybe we can look to get some sort of bullish reaction off that. If not, we gap fill down to the 930s, 899s. You can kind of look for maybe the, you know, somewhere in this zone to maybe take a long as well, potentially.
How big of a move was it overnight?
370 something. Fix for rhythmic not starting. You get 2 seconds and it freezes. You tried reinstalling. What is it on, Sir Das? Are you on Quantower, Ninja, Sierra? What platform are you on? This is more volatile than Amber Heard after a night out with Johnny.
You can tell me, might need to try to sync this computer clock.
Yeah, the clock on your computer, maybe make sure it's in sync.
Yeah.
Says Husk. Ninja.
A lot of times, if the first 15-minute candle is green, that means usually we're going short. A lot of days.
This is the area where we've been bouncing at, so a little scary area to, if you're holding the short. I'm going to grab a little short starter here. God dang it. Okay, I thought I didn't move my stop for a minute. All right, where's it at? Oh, we're going to go at 14. I'll take the majority off there. I'm in 3 micros over here. Short. I may add into this if we pop back up. It's a little dangerous, but on the challenge account, kind of like 110, 115 will be the area where I just kill it. Gonna add right there at the whole number.
These nasty ass candles.
Quantower's been a nightmare this week. Yeah. Need to get back below 90 here. We should get a nice little flush if we do. There we go. Push this thing lower.
You mean challenge? You mean the Tradeify count?
Yeah, Tradeify challenge account. We're red on it today so far. Trying to work our way back. We are Rojo. So I have to break even here. We're going to look for that London low. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know, Trev. I saw it on investing.com. It's just minutes, it said. Let me see if it's still on there. Unless I looked at the wrong day, which is always a possibility. I mean, I am an idiot after all. Yeah, it shows, where's it at? Yeah, it shows minutes right here. I don't know. Shows 2 o'clock meeting minutes today. I don't know. It's just what I see on the calendar. Yeah, it's not anything crazy. I don't think it's going to be. I mean, it's not like your normal FOMC. All right, I stopped out there. Today's one of those days where you're not getting a whole lot of follow through. Really should just probably just be taking your 10, 15, 20 points and just being done with the trade.
Those are the days I struggle the most.
That's why I'm struggling over here as well. See if we just get our 10 points. Just go 10 points at a time here. I think that's what I'm going to start doing. 10 points at a time, trying to scalp it back. All right, back below 190 here. Looks like it might go down. Nope. Unable to break it and hold with any sort of conviction. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway. Why they want to buy little old me, man? Just little old me. Probably Husk over here hitting me with the bots, you know.
Knox updated their code to the end of the month. The 26.
90% off. Yellownox is there. Let's go for the 10 points, Husk. Let's stop going for more.
They push it out past late morning day. Oh, no.
Very tough. It's both directions. You should just be going for the 10, 12, 15 points, whatever. And being done. Get down there. Get down there. About time. I don't think Husk brought his wallet in this time, but
It's in my pocket.
no, it's in his pocket. Oh shit!
I'm holding on to it. Holding on to it.
He has a condom in there from like 1984.
So I did it the smart way. We didn't. We had no use to use our credit cards, so we just gave the warden the money in her bank account, and so it's her job to
No,
take care of everything.
the warden's paying for everything, he said.
Yeah. We just gave her the funds. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna put the money in your account, and you use your card for all the gas and food and hotel and stuff.
Chopping away, guys. Chopping away over here.
We try to get her to save some money and stay at one of those
Motel 6.
It's got the number in the hotel, or it's called motel.
He tried to stay at the Motel 6.
I don't even know if it's the Motel 6, man.
I should just be averaging it. You know what? If we break this trend line here, I'm going to go 10 micros. Not on this account, but on the challenge.
What's the hotels you drive past out in the middle of nowhere? Like it has like no top floor. It's just one flat building with doors on the outside.
Yeah, that's what you like to stay at.
Pay by the hour hotels.
Get in there by the hour, Husk.
Yeah.
Still trying to get the challenge account back to green too. Fun times. Might go, let's turn the ATM off here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a starter. 1425 would be, it's not gonna let that stand, but it's gonna average into this. If it breaks the trend line, then we'll go pretty heavy on it at that point. Yeah, 10 micros just on the challenge account though. I'm anticipating a trend line break here, but we may not get it. Would like to see the London low ran in the next 5 minutes, potentially. I'm not having any DX feed issues right now. I don't see anything going on. Room said trendline bounce. Could be room. It could be. I mean, ES is right back to a very key level here, 73.85. So right here is where you might get a bounce. I'm actually going to kind of be a little careful here because of that. ES being at a key level, I'm not going to add. These 2,839 people that are watching sure are quiet. Oh, they sure are quiet people. Very, very quiet.
$2,800 watchers.
They're not real, guys. They're not real. It's fairy dust. It doesn't exist. Still holding that trend line for now. When it breaks it, guys, we're going to get a red rocket candle down to the 29.014 at least. When it breaks this trend line, it's kind of generating liquidity here. I mean, it may hit it a couple more times before it wants to break. I'm just in it with 1 micro just in case it decides to break here. You see dead people. Sovereignty's concentrating. You can't speak, you're concentrating. It's fine. Yeah, me too, Ben. We do that, right?
Hey, you're back down to 71.
Yes, the bots are gone.
That is weird.
I could have just played an ad and they would have been gone. I forgot about it. Guys, ES bouncing off that key level again there at 85. I mean, if we recover 95 again, that could be a long there. Is that Max? Oh, I must have got into something. Sound like Max in there throwing up. He must have got into something. This dog. Back to the 21 EMA here at 107. That could be a spot where I could add, I guess. You can't believe how indecisive this is. Yeah, for sure. And we got a 56-point ATR still.
This shit's dirty, dude.
All right, I'm adding here.
You're green today. It's like you just got lucky on a quick breakout.
There we go. We're out of that one. Here comes the trend line break potentially. I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna go new candle here. ES back to that support level though. Let's be a little aware here. I think it wants to run the London low. It's just got to get the momentum to get there to it. Let's go back down to 3 for these ads. I'm already in 1. Here we go. $40 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, it could be trap. I don't know. It really could be. Now I need to go back over here and go to none to be able to put this one on at 14.25. Nope, still got to be on 1. Oh, I should really add here. Let's add here. Any pops we're definitely going to add.
All right, man, I'm riding to Christy's house. I gotta start that now.
All right, see ya. Down to 2. Down to 1. Looking for that 14. Oh my goodness, guys. Is that really just like a couple of tick me? It did. Should hit it though. Bam. There you go. There's the London low. Trying to fight back on this account. It's been difficult. Oh, charts aren't loading. You could possibly get a long out of this area, but like I'd just be a little bit careful with it. I'm going to watch the ES here for a potential long opportunity. Could push down. It's at 77 now. So let's see if it holds 77 or if it really wants to go down and test 54. Huge bounce off 77 there. Huge bounce. Trying to see how the ES closes here. You can kind of, I mean, it popped up. What the hell? Okay. We'll pull back here to the 80s. Caught that long. Let's go. You took a trade off my charts. Don't do that. Oh, I'm long, guys. I'm getting in long here. This should eat this wick back up. I think it's going to eat that wick back up. We'll see. Bang. Oh, me. That's left, so I suppose we can put our headphones on now. Look at this thing just go, guys. This is insane. 77 support on ES there. Just ripped right off of it. Going to make new highs here. Two nice moves. Can't even trade it. Yeah. Do I know why they didn't deduct the money from your account? Today is Wednesday. When did you request payout? That will be the very important question. When did you request the payout? I don't know if that was news or not. It could be. You requested on Friday. As long as you did everything properly, then it may be today or tomorrow. Sometime today. Sometimes I've seen it because today's Wednesday, right? Yeah. Sometimes it's Wednesday, midday to afternoon. It's definitely difficult to trade. Guys, I mean, huge bounce off the London, though. I mean, 77 support on the ES. Level still respecting. Yeah, scalper's paradise. I agree. It's just a 225 point bounce off that level. It's crazy. What I might. I mean, the 120s could be a good long area potentially. I'm going to set a limit order at 121. So yeah, I'm going to set a limit order 121 here. If we get back there. And then over here, I'm going to average into some longs. Let's see here. Might just go without me over here on this other one. All right, I'm going to stop to break even here. Now? Yeah. Right now. Should be okay. Should get the push. There it is. Still looking kind of for that 121 pullback, but let's go, Black Beauty. 500 bucks. You're getting ready to long at 29K. Yeah, it came close to it. So close. 29,005. It just rippaged Alito. You wanted too far down, it said. It said not today, Alito. Did we get was there news? I don't even know. I didn't even look. The Pakistani army leader may visit Iran to announce the final version of the agreement. Oh, nice. The market said, we like that. Want to see a retest of the 120s here. What up, Lucky Mon? Got a limit buy at 120. 121.50. Rough day, yeah. Rough for me too, trust me. I think I blew basically every account I have. Except for a handful. So we're probably going to be in rebuild mode. So, yeah. All right, I am going to risk some of the profits here. About 130 bucks we'll be risking. Bounce it. Let's go. Come on, bounce that shit. Locking in 10 over here. Locking in 15 over here. Bang! Let's go. Big bang over here on this other account. Challenge accounts back to break even. Took that same trade with 10 micros. Appreciate you, Lucky Man. Appreciate you, Uniman. Yeah, at least a Take Profit Trader is 50% off. And I do have the 50% off coupons with 2 uses at least. I'm going to go ahead and lock in 20 points here. I don't think that's unreasonable. Locking in 20 points off the IB play here. It's not even set yet, but this has been happening like early. It's been happening before IB's even set. So that's why I took it. I'm actually going to lock in 30. I think the squeeze above 190 here, we probably hit this high pretty fast. We get above 190 here with candle close. Candle closure above 190. Your long room, let's go. Join me. Let's do it as a team. Let's do it as a team, all together. Candle close above 190 here, we are off to the races. Otherwise, we might get stopped. Key area here. All right, I like that. Come on, close up there. Close up there. Not quite what we envisioned, but close. Key area here. It's got to get through this area to go. Do I just put my stop back to break even here? I don't know. I mean, I'm very confident if we get a candle close above 190 here. I actually probably would re-enter over here if we could do that. Squeeze it. Come on. Don't reject this area again. Long over here, 2 micros. We'll look for 210. Looking for 210 over here on the challenge account. 2 micros. Stops to break even. Yeah. You guys didn't even get to see it. But we're finally green $53 after the challenge we had today. Guys, that's 100 points. That's 100 points right there. Let's lock it. 100 points. Let's lock it. And there's the target. Nice 100-point banger trade. 0 drawdown effectively, right? Nice 0 drawdown, 100-point slapper. Knee slapper. Up $676 on that account. We're going to need it. We're going to need it. Because we're going to be in rebuild mode. Going to be in rebuild mode. How much do you need to get a payout? $1,600. 5 days of $100 or more. And stay below 50% consistency. That's it. Guys, you know I'm going to have to make a video today saying that I blew my accounts. You know, I'm going to have to be crying in the video and everyone's going to say methodical. Don't worry, you'll make it back. You think so? Show my reds like this. Woo! How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't think these actually blew. I think these hit the daily loss limit. They have a $600 daily loss limit. But they are in drawdown. Opening range got me. Alito, the copier. So it tagged me in short. Or yeah, on this push up here, it tagged me in short. Immediately stopped me out. And then the OCO order did not cancel. I was hitting exit immediately. Husk can attest to that. I was hitting exit immediately, flatten all. But it still tagged me into the long. And then there was no stop. And so then it just pulled back. When it pulled back, it just smoked my accounts. And also, I did make the decision to size up this morning on that trade because the stop was so small. So, you can say, yeah, partially my fault, partially the copier's fault. Probably shouldn't have made the decision to size up because the copy, something always goes wrong when you do that. So, trade evade is not allowing a connection. That's weird. It allowed me. I wish it didn't allow me. Maybe I'll get lucky, and everybody will reset the accounts today. They'll delete today. I've never had that happen to me. I've never gotten lucky like that. So maybe I'll get lucky, and they'll be like, due to today's issues with TradeEvate, we are resetting everything. Yeah, I got to blame Husk. If Husk hadn't been here, that shit wouldn't have happened. But I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, I'm not upset about it because it's kind of like one of those things a little bit out of my control. The pro accounts do suck. The take profit pro accounts, those suck that it happened to those, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Greed, I got your email. Let me do this right quick. And yes, I will, we will request what you're asking for there. There we go. Email has been sent. Trade One Micro. There's always the rhythmic client backdoor exit. With Tradeovate, don't have that option. The thing is, Alito, I think that it hit the thing so fast. I was hitting exit, but I think it had already hit either the daily loss limit or blew the accounts. Again, I'm not upset about it. I know that what did I have on there? There's 17 accounts and 5, 6, 7, I think 8 of those were funded, or 13 were funded. So I think I lost 8 of the funded ones, which kind of sucks. But to be honest with you, I wanted the Lucid 25Ks anyway, so I'm not too upset about those. I can pass those 25Ks pretty quickly. Yeah. The Take Profit Trader Pro accounts I'm a little annoyed by, but it's fine. We'll get it back, and it'll set us back a couple of weeks, but that's all right. Live and you learn. I probably am going to go with, I think I'm going to go with like a pack of 3 on the opening range trade. I think that's the way I'm going to do it from now on. I'm going to go with a second, but I'm only going to I'll rebuild back up to maybe 10 accounts to start out. I'll go with 5 Lucid Flex. 25Ks, try to get those passed. Max, what are you doing? Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. That dog, I tell you what. So, if I didn't size up, you would still have time. I don't know. I don't know, man. I only had an 11-point stop, so I'm not sure. The size up more or less cost me because the OCO order didn't cancel. That happens a lot for some reason. So that's kind of the problem with these smaller ranges. Like when the pre-orb is 20 points like this and your stop is 10 or 11 points and you're trading multiple accounts. So what I was telling Husk before this trade even happened is like you're almost guaranteed to open up outside of it, which is not good. And then I would say the last 5 times that prices opened up outside of it and it pushed back in, it just wicked a couple of maybe like 3 or 4 ticks. And I did not drop the order because I wanted to make sure it was actually going to, I wanted it to go back in a little deeper. So, and then it just bounced right back out. Well, today I dropped the order as soon as it went back inside it. And what it did was it just pulled back and tagged me in and stopped me out immediately and then wicked out the other side. So it's like a catch-22 there. Do you leave it on? Do you wait? It's like the days I don't drop it, it works. The days I drop it, I get punished, So it is what it is. But it's all right. I said we'll pick up some 25K Lucids. I'll go with 5 of those. I think I'll rebuild the trade days. And obviously the Take Profit Traders. We still have the 5 Apex. They're not blown. They're just going to be in drawdown. So they may only have like 400 or 500. I don't think they're blown anyway. I guess I could be wrong. I don't know. But yeah, it's fine. I know playing with it's a little bit playing with fire on the opening range when you're copy trading that many accounts doing it. It is very, very dangerous. I'm gonna switch over to the other account here that I haven't traded today. We're up 676 on this account that I've traded in front of you guys. I'm switching over to this one that we've not traded yet. Looks like a long here. Nice reaction on the 5-minute there, but I'm going to wait just for a moment. Mancini says, oh, you always consider opening range trade gambling? I don't know. I mean, kind of is. Kind of is. 73.77 supported as posted. We sold down there at 10 a.m., held exact. Targets were then 15, 21, 34, and 51. Just ride and runner now, mostly noise until NVIDIA earnings. Well, I do think if I'm trading one account, 2 accounts, 3 accounts on the opening range, probably have a lot less issues with it, right? A lot less issues there. All right, I'm along now. I like how we put a little wick on the 5-minute here. See if we can push back up. I don't know that I'm going to go for 25 points, though. Let's move this down just below here. Give me 20 points. We'll take that. Add one here. Let's see if it rips. You only traded 1 or 2? Yeah. That may be what I do on some Apex. Yeah, Trev, it's frustrating. But I'm going to be honest. I mean, like, the reason why I got the 5 or 6 payouts that I got over the last month was trading the opening range, right? So, some gold in there too. So, just depends. I've actually been thinking about it a lot where I might build back up 20 Apex accounts and go back to my 1 trade per day kind of rule. And depending upon the ATR, like if it's 50 like it is today, then I probably size down to maybe 1 or 2 micros on the trade. If it's a 20 point, 25 point ATR, you might could take 5 or 6 micros. So it may go ahead and do all that. DX feed having widespread issues the last 2 days. Nice. We're doing 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. high and low. Eastern. That's what I'm using as an orb play, pre-orb. And then if we open up inside it, then we just place an order on both sides. Whichever way it goes, we take it for 10 points. If it opens up outside of it, it needs to push back into the pre-orb, and then we drop the order after it goes inside it. So that's a really good win rate, Alito. It's losing about 1 every 10 days. Obviously today was one of those. But I think that's been the first loss in probably 10 days. If not. So going into today, I think it was 19 for the last 21. So yeah, that makes it 19 for 22, something like that. But it is a negative R trade. It won Monday. It won Tuesday. I did not capture either of those wins. I missed Tuesday because I wasn't at home. Monday, I didn't drop the order. My fault. You know, I've not captured every win for sure. So, yeah, for sure, Trev. Maybe, I think I'm going to go take Private Trader 150K account on it. And then that way, and still just trade it looking for like $200 to $400 a day, risking 400 for 200, because then you got a lot more room, right? You got a lot more room. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing. New 15-minute candle coming up here in less than a minute. ATR still high right here, 45. Guys, we're going to do another giveaway in about 15 minutes. Exclamation point MM if you're not in the giveaway. Hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you are new here. You know what? Since we got one taken off at 225 there, I think I can push this one up to 250. And I'll go break even when we hit that one. What I might do is just lock. Well, we're at initial balance high here, so do expect a little resistance. See if we can pop it. If we pop it, get a close above it, I'll lock in 225. Yeah, it's not the reaction we dreamed of. Yeah, for sure, Alito. For sure, waiting on NVIDIA, 100%. And listen, I might reset a 25K Take Profit Pro, and we might slap NVIDIA and see if we can't hit a daily payout. That might make me feel better. We might do that. We could also try to pass some Apex potentially if we wanted to. Throw some Apexes on there and try to pass. That would be a good time to pass some Apexes. Use code MYTH if you guys want to do that. Maybe I'll stream this afternoon. Maybe we'll fire up for the NVIDIA earnings. They're usually like 410, 415, something like that. Maybe we'll try to hit a daily payout. That is one time when I will gamble on like an account like that. We'll put a little gamble in. Could lose. Could. It's always an option. Only made $37 on that trade. Rude. 37 bucks. Back down 147. I might can long, like, might can look for a little bounce in that 150 area potentially. No. Come on. For 20, yeah. I think I might try to pass maybe 5 more Apex and then I'm setting off full port a Take Profit Pro 25K. We'll give it a try. Kind of creating an idiot box here, honestly. No, I mean full port room. Take Private Trader Pro 25K, full port. Full port. All whatever it is, 4 minis. 4 minis, full portage. Look for, say, like 75 points. Full portage. I'm going to stab along here, guys. I'm going to take a quick stab. Just 2 micros. I'm going to stop to break even above 210 here, I think. So kind of like, I wanted to go like right there, but it didn't quite give me, like, there was no strength in that. There was no strength there. I'll add back above 200 here. Well, maybe not. All right. Up $118 on that account now. What happened? You didn't have to blow. It was only like down like 75 bucks. You got your first ever TPT. Oh, that sucks. You're in the trade for 3 hours. Man, yeah, it's the worst. That's the worst when that happens. All right, guys, let's see how we're doing in the Tradeify Cup. See how we're doing, guys. Are we in there or what? Are we number 1? We're not number 1. Hey, let's go, room you demand. We are 4,959. Moving on up in the world. The plan is to kind of just take it slow until Friday, and then Friday we're really we'll hammer the you know what out of it. We'll hammer it then. Oh, we might hammer silver on Friday. $47.92 right now. That's where you are, or is that me? I'm 49.59. At least I see. Oh, Evo, you're right there with me. I'm only up $1,522 total. Yeah, well, lucky mine. The thing is, you only got to finish in the top 1,000 to advance to the next round. So the total number of profit is really irrelevant, right? It's really irrelevant in this first round. You just got to make it to the second round, which is the top 1,000. And then you go head to head at that point. So I think so too, Simple Trader. That's why I said I don't know what's going to, like, will 5,000 in profit get you there? I don't know. Will 5,000 in profit get you in there? I think it'll be close. I'm 49.59 currently in the Grand Cup. I am not advancing. If you ever want to know where I'm at, my name is Methodical Man. So you can search me up. Methodical Man, no underscore. So, view full leaderboard. Top, whatever. Candle Eater, 30,000 in profit. But if you just go down and you just look at like, I think you can look at 1,000 somewhere. Oh, right here. You can go like 801 to 1,000. $9,600 in profit right now. Advances you. So who knows? Who knows, really? I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Knicks, I don't know. They're either, I mean, 10 grand in 3 days using a mini. I mean, it's not outside the question. I'm just not going for huge wins like that. That's all. Not going for the huge, mungus wins. We're scalping. Can we get a retest of maybe like 250 here, potentially? Potentially retest 250 potential. Pulling back there, 258, 259, maybe. Maybe we can get a retest at 250. On the Apex end of day 25K, how much you say you can take out if you make 1,600? 500 bucks. Did not quite get the 250 retest there. Did not get it. This thing's just pushing, guys. It's a pushing. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Guys, are we on the way to 30K? Are we on the way? I don't know. You're at 1,300 on one? Nice. Oh, dang. There's the pullback to 250. I looked away for a moment, missed it. I missed it, guys. Top of the hour coming up in 28 seconds. Somebody going down the road with their radio blasting on full port. Remember the consistency, though, Room. Remember, you got 50% consistency on that account. But good luck other than that. Ugh. ES approaching 74.34. I might take a little stab short here, as crazy as that sounds. Might. Right here. I'm stabbing short here, looking for 57.50 on a pullback. Bang. Let's go. Dude, I'm telling you, you can make good money on micro, for sure. You can make good money. I'm up $290 on that challenge account now. All right, guys, let's do a quick shotgun. Since we had a bunch of bots in here, I want to shotgun it. We are going to shotgun it over here. If you're unfamiliar with a shotgun, basically I'm going to reset the giveaway. And we're going to open it up for 1 minute. And you'll have 1 minute to enter. Load the shotgun. So if you're trying to enter on more than one account, I'm okay with that as long as you are subscribed and you like the chat, you like the video. So, oh, you like ticks? Nice. All right, guys, I'm going to take another short here as well on the challenge account. Right quick. Come on, get down there. Get down there, bro. I will move stop to break even here pretty quickly. Let's go. We're now up $454. 10 seconds could have delivered your full TP, but if the firm requires you to hold, yeah. All right, guys, on your marks, get set. Let's go. Exclamation MM in the chat. You got 1 minute. One minute. $28 seconds. 15 seconds. Holy cow, man. How do we get 130 entries? That's crazy. Rapid Trade Insights. Somebody was quick on the trigger. Rapid Trade Insights, are you here? Oh, I still got an open order. Rapid Trade Insights is here. Rapid Trade, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. In said email, please screenshot. Click on the top right-hand corner, screenshot this showing me that you're logged into your YouTube channel. You can pick between a 25K Rapid account from iPhone and Futures. You can pick between a 50K account from Take Profit Trader, or an Apex any size eval. So, yeah, John, I know how to set the point system up. I just haven't done it. A little bit lazy when it comes to that. So, you need at least 3 minutes to get all your family members in. Yeah, Rapid Trade's in here. He's been in here a lot, so. But anyways, guys, I will be over on my funded TV here in about 25 minutes with Husk. We'll slap Husk around a little bit on that show, you know, as we do. There's the link. I will also post it in the Discord. Kind of to recap, just for full transparency. As you guys can see, RIP. RIP. We still have this Apex account. And we still have these 5 Apex accounts, I believe. They may be gone. I don't know. And then our normal trading, not the pre-orb. We made $37 on this account. You guys see we're up 454 on the challenge. And then we're up 676 on that one. So we got some work to do, as you guys can see. So the pre-orb trade, Black Beauty, the copy trader, kind of it went bad for us. So are we gonna be on the same camera? No, he went to his sister's house. He's already gone. So, but anyways, I do appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Remember, if you want to help support the channel, 50% off. Take Profit Trader, use code MM. Elucid, 50% off, code MM. Trade Day, 30% off, code MM. Bulanox, 90% off, code MM. You get the gist. If you want to get the Apex, 90% off, code Myth. I am going to be full sending some accounts this afternoon. I'll probably fire the stream up 3:45, somewhere in there. And we'll full pour some accounts for NVIDIA. Why not? Just don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. I might even pick up a couple of Bulanox accounts, because why not? So, but I do appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you over on my funded TV. Let's go.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your